Hi, my name is Philip. I'm one of the co-founders of Alphavan, and I would like to present to you today the Mercedes-Benz Advanced Control, or short MBAC. The MBAC is a central control module which turns the Alphavan into a smart home on four wheels. We have a specific Alphavan implementation that we've developed together with our partners at Mercedes-Benz, and this implementation really allows us to control many features, such as 8 light groups. We can dim the lights and turn them on and off. We can control the air condition, the slide out step, the electric awning. We have an overview of the status of batteries, of solar power, of fresh water and gray water levels. And it's really something extremely wide, and we are absolutely happy and stunned that we can offer this functionality to our customers. It's actually something that no other of our competitors can offer today. And it's truly a smart home on wheels. Before I start with the actual presentation of the Mercedes-Benz Advanced Control, a couple of words on how do you use the Mercedes-Benz Advanced Control. We have several possibilities. First possibilities, we use the infotainment system of Mercedes-Benz User Experience. It's from the passenger and the driver's seat. You can control the whole feature set of the Mercedes-Benz Advanced Control. Secondly, we have above the entry area a touch panel in the rear of the Alphavan, and also there the whole feature set of the Mercedes-Benz Advanced Control is accessible and can be used with the touch of a finger. Thirdly, we have put physical controls everywhere around the Alphavan, so all of the functions that are accessible via the Mercedes-Benz Advanced Controls are also accessible via the central control elements located all around the Alphavan. Lastly, and this is the world premiere and really something really new, we have just recently launched the Mercedes-Benz Advanced Control iPhone app. So now it's possible with a Bluetooth connected app to control the whole feature set of the Mercedes-Benz Advanced Control from your smartphone. It's a Bluetooth app, so you have to couple it via Bluetooth and pair it with the system. And within the range of about 5 to 10 meters around the vehicle, you can control everything. So for example, let me start. Picture yourself, you're sitting in front of your Alphavan and it's dark and you need some light. As you might know, we have integrated premium awning lights, and I can now go to the menu, to the light menu, to the awning menu, and I can turn on the awning light. So you see I just turned it on. You also have the possibility to reduce the light power, what I'm doing right now, or put it up on max power again. Turning it out again. Then coming to the mechanical systems, I would now go into the vehicle menu, and now it's possible to control the mechanical systems, such as the slide out step. I will now have the slide out step retract, or vice versa, extract. The next system we have here is a high-end and premium electrical awning through the whole width of the vehicle. Of course, also I can go into the menu of the awning and extract the awning by one touch. I can stop it by one touch. For example, if I want to pull out the steps, and then the same vice versa, one touch and you can retract it. Another thing that we are extremely proud about, and that's what we just integrated, it's a high-end sound system. We are partnering with a very good company in southern Germany, and we've integrated the high-end sound system by Jenert. And now, also within the vehicle menu, you can turn on and off the sound. And you can change the volume, change the bass level, and then you just go to your preferred Bluetooth app. For example, here I have Amazon Music. Turn on the app, turn on the music, and you will suddenly hear that you got a sound volume so far unseen in the industry. But hear yourself.
Every time you come around, you know I can't say no.
So with all of these features controlled by the app on a smartphone, we think we're putting our customers to the front of the digitization movement in the industry. So now I've showed you the app. Let's jump inside the van, and I will show you also how you control all the features from within the touch panel above the entry area. So come on and follow me. So welcome to the inside of the Alphavan. As mentioned before, we have several possibilities here to also control the Mercedes-Benz Advanced Control. First of all, the front display for the driver and the co-driver. But as I've also mentioned, we have the rear display here sitting above the entry area, and you have the same feature set that I've showed you before, but now on the touchscreen here in the inside. It can be reached both from the back and the front of the vehicle. It all starts with an overview screen where you have quick access to all the main functions of the MBAC. So I will start now with the light system. So as mentioned before, you can control all the different light groups and can turn them on, turn them off, or dim them. For example, here now we have a light scenario called main light. I can completely turn off and on all the different lights. For presentation purposes, I'll just leave on the light. The next menu is the heating and climate control. You can control and program your heating system. It's a high-end diesel electricity heater from Truma. You can turn on and off the heater, you can set up the temperature, and we also have the possibility to have a time control where you can say on specific time of the day you turn on and off the heating. Then there's also a menu for warm water. If you want to shower or have warm water on the faucets, you just say 40 or 60 degrees. And last but not least, we have here the climate control system. As you know, we have a high-end air conditioning system in the middle of the vehicle, and you can easily turn it on and off. So now I go into the mode of air circulation, and you will hear that the air conditioning system is turning on. Again, I'm turning it off now, so we have, you can hear me all right. The next menu we have here is the vehicle menu. Again, you can turn on and off the sound system. You go into the refrigerator and can turn it on and off, or you can control the different steps of the refrigerator. It also has different operating modes. We have the slide out step, which you can again extend and retract, and the same thing for the electric awning that you can easily with one touch control. The next menu, electricity and water, starts with the level of our lithium-ion battery in the flex port of the vehicle. Right now you see that we have a level of 96%. We are standing in the sun and we are getting a lot of power back from the solar panel on the roof. Solar panel is actually the second menu we have here. So it shows you how much power currently is being fed back from the solar panel to the lithium-ion battery, which of course is really good for self-sufficient adventures. You can stand somewhere, have this large lithium-ion battery, and the solar system refills the battery. Next menu is the freshwater menu. We have a exact display of the level of the freshwater, and we can activate and deactivate the water pump. And similar on the gray water side, we have a percentage display of the level of the gray water. And what we also have as a special feature is an electronical valve to reduce the level of the gray water. And just with a touch of a button, you can drive up to your sink of the gray water and either do it here or also while driving on the front display and can open the valve. The last menu we have here is the settings menu. It starts with the rear display where you can control whether you want to have it automatic switch off after a certain time, which of course makes sense if you at night go to bed, you don't want to have it bright all night, or you can have it in a continuous operation mode where it will not turn off. And then here you also have your Bluetooth menu. As I showed you before, the Bluetooth app, this menu guides you through the pairing process with your phone. So it shows you a password and shows you what to select. And this is how you actually set up the Bluetooth connection of the Mercedes-Benz Advanced Control. So this is also what you can control inside. And you see why we are so stunned by the overall system. It's something very, very new that we can offer to our customers, and we also believe that this is something they would love. And we actually would like really to show you this in person, and also be sure, I mean, this is now. We have so many ideas and plans for the future, and we are of course working on really extending the feature set on, and we hope that within some months you will see some additional features that we can present to you. Thank you very much.